welcome back. I have been waiting for this moment for quite a while. I am been collecting here and there from thrift stores, antique stores, yard sales, you name it, and now it's all coming together. I hope y'all enjoy this video, and I hope y'all still stay part of my journey of trying to get this greenhouse ready and start planting. I hope also to continue not just planting in here, but making projects and stuff like this in here too. So I'm not done yet, but I'm really happy. It's starting to look really nice. kind of done for right now. So, so what do y'all think so far? It's coming really nicely together. These are all items I have found when I was thrifting, and I was very, very happy when I did, because now everything is just comes together. I'm not quite done yet, so I'm going to continue working on here, and here are some other areas. I'm not, like I said, not quite done yet, and got a collection going on with some decorations and crystals and glass, because I want that reflection coming through. So it looks really, really nice already. So I can't wait to continue working in here and get it all nice and cozy and ready to start planting. So I got this far done today. I did just a little bit today, but my plan is to finish it all up, and hopefully I'll be able to show it to you this very soon. But this next video, it's going to be hopefully all decorated, and the chandelier will be probably a video by itself. So, but yes, it turned out super cute. I love my wall the way it turned out. I got my pillows. I'm not quite done yet, but it's going to get there, and I'm super excited. Here's a look close up what I've done so far, and I hope y'all can see this. It's pretty bright in here, so but like I said, I'm not quite finished yet, and my goal is to get it all finished decorated, and I'll show you all the rest. Going to be coming soon. And here are the walls and some of the pretties. I'll probably gonna be changing some things more around, but I like the way it turned out, and I got my table in. And so I can, this will be my workstation, and right above will be my chandelier. So, and I got to still straighten all these things out, and I am ready to go and get some dirt in these boxes, and I'm ready to plant. And all this is going to get all organized. As my box is going to go in the trash. And yes, I love it. Let me know what y'all think.